You've heard the name. You've probably eaten a slice. But have you ever wondered, why is it called pound cake if it doesn't actually weigh a pound? Did someone mess up the recipe? Or was it just really heavy back in the day? Today we're slicing into the rich history of pound cake, where it got its name, how it's changed over time, and 20 deliciously fun facts you probably never knew. 1. The original pound cake. Weighed 4 pounds. The name pound cake comes from its original 18th century recipe. Pound of flour, 1 pound of butter, 1 pound of sugar, and 1 pound of eggs.
That's 4 pounds of cake.
2. It was meant to be simple. This recipe was so easy to remember, it didn't need to be written down. It was designed for home cooks with little to no formal education. 3. No baking powder or soda. The original pound cake relied on air beaten into the eggs, no chemical leavening. That's why it was denser than what we're used to today. 4. The name survived. Even as the recipe shrunk over time, recipes became lighter and smaller, but the name pound cake stuck, even if the weight didn't. 5. Early recipes date back to the 1700s. One of the first printed pound cake recipes appeared in 1796 in Amelia Simmons' cookbook, American Cookery, the first American cookbook. 6. Pound cake was popular in colonial America. Its ingredients were relatively affordable and easy to get, making it a go-to dessert for early American households. 7. Every culture has a version, from France's contrecours to Britain's Victoria sponge. Many cultures have a pound-style cake with different names and twists. 8. Pound cake was served at weddings and funerals. In the South, pound cake became a staple for both celebrations and somber occasions, thanks to its long shelf life and rich flavor. 9. Cream cheese versions are a modern favorite. Modern pound cakes often include cream cheese or sour cream, making them softer and tangier than their traditional counterparts. 10. Lemon glaze changed everything. Adding citrus glazes to pound cake started in the 20th century and became a fan favorite, especially in southern baking. 11. It's a butter lover's dream. With high butter content, pound cake delivers that dense, moist texture, a signature trait of the dessert. 12. It's the grandparent of modern cakes. The simplicity of the pound cake inspired more complex cake recipes later on, including layer cakes, sponge cakes, and coffee cakes. 13. Loaf or bundt. It's flexible. Pound cake can be baked in a loaf pan, bundt pan, or tube pan, and it still counts. 14. Pound cake has appeared in poetry and fiction. Writers have used pound cake to symbolize comfort, tradition, and even wealth in literature and pop culture. 15. It's a southern icon in the US. Pound cake is especially popular in the American South, where it's considered a cultural classic. 16. There are dozens of flavors today. From chocolate swirl to rum pound cake to matcha and pumpkin spice, modern recipes have gone wild. 17. Store-bought versions aren't the same. Mass-produced pound cakes often use preservatives and artificial flavorings, a far cry from the rich homemade original. 18. It was originally a status dessert. In early Europe, having enough butter, sugar, and eggs to make pound cake meant you were doing pretty well economically. 19. Some versions still weigh a pound. If you use the classic 1-1-1-1 recipe with smaller proportions, you can make a true 1 pound cake today. 20. Final fun fact. The name is a lie, but we still love it. Even though most pound cakes today don't weigh a pound, the name reminds us of a time when recipes were simpler, richer, and much heavier. So the next time you bite into a slice of pound cake, remember, you're tasting history, one buttery bite at a time. Which version is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun food facts and tasty history lessons.